Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today our topic is the golden touch and we will do remaining question answers from 6 to 10. So let's start question answers. Take out your English literature notebooks and draw the margin lines and start writing question answers. So students, our question number 6 is, how did he try to please his little daughter? How king tried to please his little daughter. Students, as you can see in this picture, everything he touched turned into gold. So he said to his daughter that now bowls and flowers are worth more than ever. But you can see the face of princess. She was not happy. She is sad. Okay students, our next question number 7. Why was the king unable to eat? The king was unable to eat, as you can see in this picture, when he picked the fruit. When he picked any fruit, you can see in this basket. Okay, there were many fruits in the basket. When he picked one fruit, it turned into gold. So the answer is, the king was unable to eat because every bite of food he touched turned to gold. Now he was very sad. He was very sad about this golden touch, because he can not eat anything, and he was very hungry, but he cannot eat anything. Okay, our next question. What happened when he touched his daughter's hair? Students, you can see here in this picture, when the king touched his daughter's hair, his daughter turned into gold. Now he is very sad because his daughter became a statue now. And students, all of these things are happened due to his greediness, because he wanted more and more gold. Now he was very sad and he wanted to get rid of this golden touch. Okay, next question. How did the king rid himself of the golden touch? Students, now the fairy asked the king to if he wanted to get rid of the golden touch, just take bath into the river, and then through this water on all the things that turned into gold. So the king rid himself of the golden touch by taking bath into the river. And now he is throwing water on all the things that he touched, and they turned into gold. Students, now open your read now book, page number 51, book exercise. We will complete our book exercise. Can you tell? Question number 1. They were in the story you have just read. Who was greedy and selfish? And lovely and gentle? Tiny and happy? Students, as you know, as you read the story, you understand that greedy and selfish was the king. So we will write here king. And lovely and gentle? King's daughter was lovely and gentle. Her name was Marigold. And tiny and happy? Who was tiny and happy in this story? The fairy. Fairy was tiny and happy. So students, write your answer here. Greedy and selfish king, lovely and gentle Marigold, and tiny and happy fairy. Midas was the king. What is a title given to a king's wife, daughter and son? I hope you know about king's wife. King's wife is called queen, and king's daughter is called princess, son prince. Students, write your answer here. King's wife is queen, king's daughter is princess, and son is called prince. Okay, our next question is, King Midas had a garden. What is a garden? And name some garden flowers. So a garden is a place where we can see a lot of flowers. Okay, and name some garden flowers. Tulip and sunflower. The story tells of a fairy. Name other kinds of little magic folk. As you can see, some magic folk, you can write the name of any little magic folk, like Barbie and the pop star. So a garden where we can see a lot of flowers, and tulip and sunflower, and Barbie and the pop star. Okay students, now complete question number 3 and 4 and write it on your book like this. Okay, on the next page, question number 5, you use your hands to touch. So what do you use to? Hear, we use ear, and to see, we use our eyes. To smell, nose, and to taste, we taste with our tongue. Marigold is the name of a flower. What other flowers are often used as names for girls? So jasmine and rose. Both of these are names of persons and of flowers. Gold is a metal which is dug out of the ground. Name some other metal. The answer is silver, iron, or copper. Describe what is on a table which is laid for. As you know, in the story, the table was ready for breakfast. Okay students, write this book exercise and learn this book exercise, and also 6 to 9 question answers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.